welcome back to our channel. Today, the Adventure Family UK is walking the streets of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. A city driven by movement, where motorbikes flow like rivers and life spills onto the sidewalks. We're exploring on foot, taking in the sights, the sounds, and the energy that makes this place so unforgettable. From busy roads to hidden alleys, this is real life in Vietnam. Loud, vibrant, and full of surprises. So come along with us as we walk the streets, experience the culture, and start our adventure here in Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City has a long and fascinating history, shaped by trade, culture, and major moments in world events. Long before it became the busy city we see today, this area was a small fishing and trading settlement called Prey No Cor, part of the Khmer Empire. Over time, Vietnamese settlers moved south, and the settlement slowly grew into an important port thanks to its location near the Mekong Delta. In the mid-1800s, France took control of southern Vietnam and renamed the city Saigon. During the French colonial period, many of the wide streets and grand buildings were constructed: churches, government offices, and theaters that are still standing today. Saigon became known as the Pearl of the Far East and was one of the most modern cities in the region at the time. In 1975, after the Vietnam War ended, Vietnam was reunified, and Saigon was renamed Ho Chi Minh City after the country's revolutionary leader Ho Chi Minh. The years that followed were challenging as the country focused on rebuilding. Today, the city is home to millions of people and is one of Southeast Asia's most energetic places. Modern skyscrapers stand beside colonial buildings, and traditional markets sit alongside shopping malls. Downtown Ho Chi Minh City, also known as District 1, is where much of the city's history and modern life come together. This area was the heart of old Saigon during the French colonial period, and you can still see that influence today. Wide boulevards, tree-lined streets, and historic buildings give downtown a very different feel from the rest of the city. District 1 is also where business, tourism, and everyday life overlap. Office workers, families, and visitors all share the same streets. Cafes are busy from early morning, and the sidewalks are always full of movement. As I walk through downtown, it's clear why this area has always been important. This was the heart of old Saigon, and many of the streets still follow the layout created during the French colonial period. Wide roads, tall trees, and grand buildings give parts of downtown a more open feel compared to other districts. Chi Minh City has a lot of traffic, but many of the cars and scooters you see are electric. Electric vehicles are becoming popular here because they're affordable, easy to use in busy cities, and help reduce noise and air pollution. Ho Chi Minh City is the economic and cultural center of Vietnam, and much of the city's daily activity revolves around trade, business, and services. One of the biggest activities here is commerce. Markets, shops, offices, and street vendors are everywhere. From small family-run stalls to large international companies, buying and selling is constant throughout the day. Millions of visitors come each year to explore the city's history, food, culture, and nearby destinations. Hotels, restaurants, tour services, and cafes support this growing industry. Crossing the roads in Ho Chi Minh City looks busy at first, with scooters coming from every direction. But the secret is simple. Walk slowly, stay steady, and be predictable. The traffic flows around you, and before you know it, you're safely on the other side. It's all part of everyday life here. Welcome to Bui Vien Street, one of the most well-known streets in Ho Chi Minh City. It's often called the Backpacker Street, but there's more to it than just nightlife. During the day, Bui Vien feels surprisingly calm. This street feels almost local. Scooters pass through, but without the rush you see elsewhere in the city. Walking here during the daytime gives you a different perspective. You notice the buildings more, the narrow facades, the layers of signs, the way homes, hostels, cafes, and bars all sit on top of one another. It feels lived in, practical, and very real. At night, Bui Vien becomes one of the most energetic places in the city. Bars open wide to the street. Street food sizzles on hot plates. Vendors weave through the crowds with trays of snacks and cold drinks.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how.
Walking through here at night, you feel the buzz immediately. There's a sense of freedom and celebration. For many travelers, this is where stories are shared, friendships are made, and memories begin.
No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk,
This is just the beginning. Subscribe to the Adventure Family UK and join us as our Vietnam adventure continues.